Pick a check-in date that's like no more than 5 days away. Why? Well, hosts get a bit antsy with their empty places. It's like, do I leave my cozy little spot all alone or take this last-minute deal? More often than not, they'll choose your offer over a lonely apartment. So, waiting until the last moment can totally play in your favor. Gather up 10 or more listings that catch your eye. Then, channel your inner negotiator and send an offer to each of these hosts. It's like casting a wide net in the Airbnb sea. Some might bite, others might not. But hey, it's all about playing the odds. Add a bit of charm to your messages. Mention something special about their place that caught your eye. Now, don't go crazy low with your offers. Play it cool and fair. And when those replies start rolling in, be quick to respond. Okay, so you remember that fancy place we found for $2,813? Brace yourself. It's now just $1,478. Yup, you heard that right. We just scored a whopping 50% off. The place has 2 bedrooms and 3 baths, perfect for when you can't agree on shower schedules. But wait, it gets better. There's a private swimming pool. Oh, and an outdoor jacuzzi tub, because why not? Feeling competitive? There's ping pong and a pool table. Oh, and the cherry on top? A cinema room.